Feeling ko bagong question to sa Upwork. Or matagal na siya, hindi na talaga ako nag-apply. But lately, napapansin ko na merong question doon na how do you keep confidentiality, Let's talk about confidentiality real quick. Once you get hired, whether it's with an agency, directly with a client, confidentiality is very important. At isa to sa ina-emphasize ko sa mga naha-hire sa top, especially pag galing sa training ko, you are not in any way allowed to share what you do inside the business. Information ng client mo, information ng clients mo, kahit pa yan ay name, email address, phone number na nasa public records, kahit ano. Including but not limited to magkanong sinasahod mo sa company, terms and conditions of your employment, nasa kontrata namin yan. Bawal ka mag-share sa social media. Let me tell you why. The resources, business structure, and business strategies, it takes time. Years, and it's progressively building. So when you share information about your employment online, halimbawa, nag-share ka dito sa TikTok kung magkano sinasahod mo and all that shit, breach of contract yon. Kahit sinong tao na nasa matinong pag-iisip, hindi i-share yon. And if this is the first time that you are hearing this, now you know. So going back dun sa question, paano i-keep safe ang confidential info ni client kapag freelance ka? Number one, you do not let anyone else touch your computer. Your workhorse is your workhorse. Yours alone. If you are sharing this computer with halimbawa anak mo, you guys are supposed to have separate users. Alam mo yan. Number two, you use LastPass. So the clients do not necessarily have to give you the password. They just have to share the LastPass with you. If you guys are not familiar with LastPass, later on, i-chika nyo na lang dito para makapag-film tayo ng MM. Number three, you do not share anything about your work with your clients sa social media account. Yung mga nagpo-flex na ayan na naman tayo, girl. Naalala ko na naman siya. Kahit pa binigyan kayo ng bonus na 2 weeks na paid na off, hindi nyo i-share yung phone number, email, pangalan niya sa social media para lang mag-flex, okay? Any case, just in case and this happened, someone else got access dun sa computer nyo, nahack kayo or whatnot, inform your clients immediately. Keep your Google accounts secured because especially if all the passwords are stored sa Google ninyo. One thing I learned from one of my reps before was that to add yung, yung nilalagay yung phone number, 2-step verification sa Google. This will also help you out because, for example, wala na kayo sa company and then other people are trying to get credits for whatever. But for example, you created strategies and then someone is trying to take credit for kung ano man yung ginawa nyo for the company. Since naka 2-step verification kami, ganyan siya.